Alright, this is a pimple on my chest. Comedone extractor, please. Thank you. Alright, we're going to place it on here. And check out what this looks like. Alright, here this thing is. We're about to pop it. I want you to go ahead and take a look, because this pimple in the middle of my chest is about to be popped. There she goes, real slow like. I feel it pinching. There she goes. Feel that? There's the hole. And there's the pus up there. So that's all the pus. Have to focus in. It's a hand wheel on this thing. And that's where the pimple was. Alright folks, please click like. Tell us your comments. And hit subscribe.